thing. For me, it's kind of been about the intersection of how do you build technology that helps people connect with each other and understand the world better, and just taking different formats over time, right? So, when we got started, people, were mostly like, writing text. Then we got smartphones, and we got cameras with the smartphones. We started taking a lot of photos and sharing that, and now most of what we do is video, right? The mobile networks are good enough that you can like share great video. It used to be
great.
Yeah, like 10 years ago, you try watching a video, it's like buffering. It's like, okay, this is terrible. But now it's good. People always want to both kind of express their ideas and experience other people's ideas in whatever the richest format is that they can. So if that was going to be text, then if that was the best that they had, great. Photos, visual, great. A picture's worth 1,000 words. Video, better than photo for most things. But I don't think that's the end of the line, right? I just think we're going to be here, whether it's 5 years or 10 years. And I think the ability to like fully capture moments, to really be able to experience them. I think that's sort of the hologram thing that we're talking about. I think that's just going to be like the next level of people being able to express like ideas,
like the next
moments
palette
in their life. Yeah.
The next blank canvas.
So I think that's one thing. And then there's the whole AI thing, which we haven't spent
as much
time on, but we should. Which that is really going to give people a lot of new tools to kind of both just get smarter at everything they do, and if you look at the world like I do through this lens of how do we express ourselves and how do we kind of take in an understanding of what's going on, AI is just going to be super powerful for both of those. It's you can already see some of the basic stuff with like people creating images or editing
it's unbelievable.
Images.
I mean, it's crazy how fast it's happening too. That's what I'm amazed at, is just how fast it's happening.
Yeah.
But do you think, like, do you envision this, like, are you just like what do you envision that will be on these like surfboards? Do you have like kind of like a utopian idea, or I just wonder, how do you see things? Because you're the only, like, you're probably one of the smartest people to ever use thought.
I don't know.
Well, that we, or you're one of the most unique people to ever use thought that we have in our time. So it's like, how do you, what is it like out there?
I mean, I think that we're going to get general intelligence. We're going to have systems that are smarter than any individual. And I think it's mostly going to be very empowering for people. First of all, look, I mean, there are already systems that are smarter than any one individual today, right? If you take a company, right, it's like, okay, you got like 1,000 people or 10,000 people who are all kind of like working towards, ostensibly working towards a goal together. Like if the intelligence of a 10,000 person company is not greater than the intelligence of a single person, then like, what are we doing here, right? So there are already these systems in the world that have this sort of super intelligence that is far exceeds what any one person can do. And I just think, like, instead of having relatively few people be able to kind of harness the power of, like, you have the ability of, you have a 10,000 person organization that can help you build the things that you think are good. I just think in the future, almost everyone is going to have that. And that's cool. What does that mean? It means that more ideas are going to get tried out.
So you might be leveling up in an overall idea of creativity in the universe with AI.
Yeah, and I think it's going to be every field, right? So like science will get more advanced, we'll get more productive. But like, I think a big part of the internet is stuff just gets more fun and funnier, and like the memes get weirder and more specific, and like that is advancement too.
It's
right?
almost going to be like universal basic technology, kind of, in a way.
Yeah, it's just the ability to kind of express these like very complicated ideas in like a very simple piece of media. I think we're going to get better and better at that, and that advances our kind of understanding of ourselves as a society. So, I don't know. I think we'll get super intelligence, and I would guess that it will be a continuation of this trend that humanity has been on for 100+ years of basically getting more time to do creative things, less time having to do drudgery, not having to spend as much time working if you don't want. But if you want to dedicate your life towards that, you're going to have more powerful tools than you could ever have possibly imagined.